Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be looking at the Xbox Series S, and today I wanted to talk about the cooling and the fan, which I think is pretty important, especially if you do have long gaming sessions. Now, I've been using this Xbox Series S for the last 2 years, and I never had to open it to clean the fan. Now, before I give you any tips, let me just explain how the cooling works on this Xbox Series S. Now, it does have a big fan right on top, and it does have this vent. There's quite a lot of holes, but that's not all. It has the holes on the side. It also has more holes here, and then I believe there's a little bit more holes, yes, on this side. So there's quite a lot of ventilation. Now, when I first ended up getting the Xbox Series S, I was actually very concerned because the top would get very hot. I mean, the hot air would be blowing. It would just honestly feel kind of like a heater. But after a few months, honestly, I didn't think much of it because my Xbox never shut off by itself, and it does have that feature. If it does overheat, it will turn itself off to cool off. Now, main thing is whenever you end up getting your Xbox Series S is finding the right position. Now, this Xbox Series S can be in two different positions. It can be in this horizontal or it can be in vertical. Vertical is gonna be like this, where this Bluetooth pairing button and the USB type A is going to be on the bottom. Power button is going to be on top. Now, if you do have it in this position, you got to remember all the hot air will be blowing this way. So you got to make sure there's nothing facing it. So you can't have a monitor or TV right next to it. If you're going to put this next to TV, make sure it's all the way behind the TV so it has a lot of room for that hot air to go somewhere. You don't want to have it next to the cabinet or something where it's going to block this. Then it's going to overheat for sure. Now, if you have it this way, again, main thing is you don't have nothing on top of it. So you can't just slide this into your cabinet and have the wooden shelf on top of it. That's not good. So make sure you have a lot of space. Wherever you place it, you got to have at least, I would give it honestly 2 feet of space so nothing is blocking this. If you follow those tips, you shouldn't have any issues with cooling. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.